Welcome back. This is the train channel. We got a CSX train. Let's roll it and check it out. I don't know if it's a second Autorack train or this is the mixed in with the Autoracks and the intermodals there too. Well, looks like it's a CSX Autorack train again. We just had 205. This time it's a loaded one. Yep, this time it's a loaded and it was an empty one, we just saying. The P&W, I've seen that one. There's the end. Symbol on that train is the CSX M204 on this Thursday, September the 4th, 2025, from the Jeffrey the Train channels on YouTube. That was 2 Autorack trains in a row. I haven't had them in a while. So, alright, that's gonna do it for this version. We'll be back on with another train and talk to you later.